How to remove profile picture on Facebook Messenger. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove your profile picture on Facebook Messenger. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you want to remove your profile picture on both your Facebook and your Messenger, it's really easy. All you have to do is remove your profile picture on your Facebook. Doing this will automatically remove it from your Messenger as well. So head over to your Facebook, then head over to the menu that is on the bottom right and tap on your name on the top to head over to your profile. After you're on your profile, long press on your profile picture. After you do that, you will see options to select profile picture, add frame, and see profile picture. Tap on see profile picture and now you'll be on the post where you just posted your profile picture. Now tap on the three dots on the top right corner. Then tap on delete photo. After tapping on delete photo, tap on delete, which will also delete the post. After you've deleted the post, you can just head back and refresh your profile, and there you notice that your profile picture has now been removed. And it's that simple, guys. That is how you remove profile picture on Facebook Messenger. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more.